little more, not much. That's pretty good.
Cool.
A little artichoke.
Okay, perfect.
Let's see.
Okay, do you want to open this one? I'll close this one.
Oh, jeez. Okay, yeah, mine isn't sticking in far enough.
Oops.
What?
I got a detail.
Can I see the hammer for a second?
What do you know?
Oh, this little washer needs to go in here.
Behind you, honey.
Okay. Oh, I think that's fried planning.
Okay, let's try that. Okay. No, still needs to go a little more.
It's a box.
Okay, I
Is
still
that-
don't.
okay. That's a picture of a bar of soap on it.
It works. It's fine.
Oh, buddy. Don't tear it. Bummer. You're not supposed to tear it.
That's not a present.
What's he daring?
Oh, there's these
Oh, no.
little
Yeah,
bubbles.
ours never lasts long.
Did we tear them? I also need to take this wheel off.
Bummer.
We have
You gotta put these on the outside. You
You
I
definitely
know.
tore them,
I was
Chase.
like, I need to get it
What?
even. How
first.
stupid was I?
Hey.
Well, no, you can put
Honey,
one wheel on and
honey.
push it.
Hey, and honey, just
Put
I
one
need
wheel
to
on and then we
tear
push it.
this one.
You gotta
what
take
you
it
have.
Wait, how do you get it in though? How do you get the nut in?
Yeah, we're fixing it.
That's the way they have it. Yeah, that's the way. You gotta use the
Pop it
hammer.
in.
Yeah, you gotta use the hammer.
Gee, bud.
yeah. Hey, can we leave that for an adult, please? Dad, do you know how to do it for sure? Did you look at the directions? Because
Yeah,
if we get these
Can
on
you hammer
wrong, watch your fingers, bud.
Here, I fix it.